Thanks for taking the time to check out the new arrival, the Conquest IV26. It's a two-berth motorhome on a 50 series Iveco with 180 horsepower, 8-speed automatic gearbox, rear-wheel drive and massive tunnel boot. Check that out, fit the clubs, the buggies, the Barbie, all in there. It's a mid-bathroom, rear island bed floor plan. The Iveco comes with a 3.5-inch TFT screen. It's got airbags, passenger and driver. It's also got adaptive cruise and other great safety features. And lastly, before we step inside, it's got a 100-litre fuel tank capacity. Come in, we'll check it out. 210-litre three-way fridge, can be upgraded to a compressor fridge if you like. Solar panel, 200 watts, 100 amp battery, TV, stereo, aerial, that's all standard features in the Conquest range. Like I said, it's got the mid-bathroom, so shower and toilet, which separates the motorhome so that if you do want to get up and make a cuppa and someone wants to have a sleep in, no problem. Up above the fridge, we've got our display panels. So this motorhome actually has 210 litres of fresh water and 100 litres of grey, which is a really good capacity for motorhomes. The stereo, of course, you can shift the sound inside and out, so you can have, you know, stereo outside and someone could be watching TV inside and not disturbing each other. Down here we've got huge overhead cupboards above the cab, plenty of space to get in and out of the cab. So if you're liking what you see, why don't you give us a call? Come in, take it for a test drive, check it out, and we can also talk about all the optional extras that you might want fitted to this motorhome. So you can upgrade solar panels, you can upgrade to lithium, you can put off-grid systems in it that'll run your aircon for 6 hours on battery, but we also have stock available and stock coming in. So come on down, come and see us, and we'd love you to take it for a test drive.